Hello guys, this is Mukesh. Welcome back to another KineMaster tutorial. Nowadays, creating a WhatsApp status needs a lot of imagination. Lot of creators in the world doing lot of gimmicks and animations in the text. So in this video, I would like to show you how to create a kind of a theater like WhatsApp status inside KineMaster within a minute. Let's get started. First open your KineMaster application, then press the plus button and go for 16:9 aspect ratio. Then just choose your videos. For example, I like to go for these videos. So video number 1, video number 2. Okay, I would like to go for these two kinds of videos. Okay, now I like to just trim the parts. So the next step is just click the layer and go to the media and go to the videos. You can download this theater video from the KineMaster asset store itself. Don't need to go outside. So once it's completed, just make sure to fit the video to the full frame and just go down and click chroma key and just enable it, and it's automatically remove the blues color. But the problem is you just click the show mask option, some of the seeds are visible in the bottom, so just increase this option little bit for a 50-30 ratio. Now remove the show mask option, and you might see it only go for 10 seconds, but my WhatsApp status are going for 30 seconds, right? So KineMaster actually implement this plan, the layer speed option, I think 2 or 3 months before. So just click the layer and go down and click the speed option. So just slow it down and you can just see the difference. If you go for 0.125, you can up to go for 1 minute 16 seconds. So I would like to just go for 0.5 second. So make sure to fit for my duration of the clip. Okay, so just play the video and it's easy and simple. If you want to pan and zoom the videos inside the screen, just click the video and go to the pan and zoom option and just enlarge it, or else just erase it and reposition it. It's so easy and simple process. So you can just show a kind of gimmicks here. So a kind of a moving frame from this position to this position, from the boy to the girl. So actually wait a minute. Okay, now just play the video. So you can create a simple movement from the positive x direction to negative x direction. So don't forget to use this video inside KineMaster for your next upcoming WhatsApp status. So don't forget to follow KineMaster India Facebook page. Signing off from Mukesh from FuseTube. Bye bye.